Ayan mga inday.
Are you like the view?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
View?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Need some sun though.
Yeah.
Enjoy your drink.
Yeah. Yes. Ayan mga inday, nag-coffee tayo. Oh, grabe ang basa. Grabe, sobrang basa day. So, ito yung room. Mag-coffee muna kami.
Out there.
Yeah. We can shoot some coconut. Wala ba tayong snacks day? Coffee na lang taan eh. Tayo snacks. I like here. I mean it's nice but the view. But okay.
It's just anything. Well, at least there's no big cables in there.
Yeah, at least there's no cable. Maganda yung view. Maganda yung view sa sa swimming pool. Down sa baba. Yan. Wala na kaming choice, dahil kinuha na lang namin to because it's very rainy. Hoy, take out your clothes, my love, because it will dry in your body. It's no good.
No. I'm no good.
Take out ba? The cold will come.
I'm wet and no good.
It's no good when the wet will go to. At least they have cappuccino. No? So we don't have to go far away to get some cappuccino. I wanna check that room where we passed there. So
Yeah, that would have been a better option.
yeah. But I do want to stay only one
But they have
day.
a very nice restaurant here.
And also, my love, if we stay one day, it's too much cleaning with them in the bed and making ready just for one day, you know?
Yeah, it's another thing to consider.
Imagine mga Inday, yun yung rason ko na mahihiya ako na mag-stay lang ng one day. Hindi, I'm not shy because I'm not saying that we wanna stay one day because we cannot afford. That's not my reason. I'm shy because we only stay one day and then we go and then they clean too much in the room, you know, like preparation and the bed and
Bedding.
the beddings, you know, they have to wash for just a few hours, you know, because we check in now late. At least there's a chicken down below in the room. You see, there's a chicken. It's really nice. Tasty cappuccino. I was thinking he will give me a... Daw, maganda ba yung bed nila, day? Testing eh. Subukan mo, Inday. Hala, maganda, day. Maganda yung bed nila. Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng pelo. Sa manis, Inday, ani? Tagaw. Ay, may telepon pa sila, day. Oh. Mga zay, for 3,000 pesos. For this price, mga zay anzong. Na. Worth it siya, eh. For 3,000 pesos, may ganito ka ng room, mura na kagray na. Ay, okay na sa ako, day. Bahalag na ako sa province life. Ay, ano, sige, magkuhan, nag-inom ako na siya coffee ba? Muna, kaya kayo mga ante, sabi nyo sa comment section na, kasi dyan kayo sa province life, kasi kuripot yung asawa mo. Zay, wala yung ko'y pakialam, day, kung sasabihin nyo sa akin na kuripot yung asawa ko, ganito, ganyan. Day, ako pakialam, day, kaya ano, para sa ako, day, mas prepare ko yung mas comfortable ako, mahal man yan, pero day, murag, kanaging feelings nga di po kakatog day kaysa sobra ka mahal. Unya mag-stay ra mo 2 days, murag na magtambling-tambling gid siguro kasi daanan lagi ba mag. Pero ito, yung ganitong price, okay lang oy, murag hindi ka maninervyos ba no? O ma-overstay ka. Kaysa naman mahal-mahal ka niya. Dili comfort. Hoy, imong ilok dai di comfort. Ang ganda ng ano nila net. It's very art jud kayo sila mga antikels. Pero gusto ko din tong ganitong place mga inday kay dili siya kuan ba. Dili saba. Dili ka kagubot, and then ito din meron din silang mga ano dito kung gusto mo mag-coffee for 3,000 pesos meron ka na hindi na lang ako mag-say no. Uy, may hugaw akong kamera. Hindi na lang ako mag-say, naka-stay ako ng hotel dyan sa Cebu na pero okay na lang kasi malapit naman siya sa everything. Pero dai 4,500 ka akong nabayad. Pero kabalo mo, nagmahay jud ko dai kay way bintana. Pero saan man na zay. And then meron din silang mga drinks. Ayan. Tapos ko na tayo kayo na tour ha. Ay, makaguba. Kadihog pultahan dahil. Ay, nako. Hello, good afternoon. Ayan, finally, nakapagpahinga na ako mga jay. And then, aalis kami. Punta kami sa restaurant. Maghanap kami ng kakainan natin for today. And then, mamaya na ako mag-shower. Kasi, alas 4 naman day. So, alis muna kami mga jay. Para maka-lunch. My love, let's go because it's already 4 o'clock. May medicine. And mag-check tayo ng ayun na, basta to ang voice dire. Mag-check tayo ng room. Kasi may room akong nagustuhan. Gusto kong i-check siya dahil. So, let's go. Check natin yun. Hindi na lang kami. My love, I want to go to the restaurant where we pass.
Which restaurant?
And ask the room or see the room there.
No idea. I don't know either.
Where do you want?
No,
Huh?
I don't want to.
So, ayan yung restaurant nila mga jay. Malapit lang actually. Ito. And then yung swimming pool andun sa baba. Ayun. Baka pupunta tayo doon tomorrow or mamaya ang gabi or later na. Kaon sa uday kay wala ko'y kusog. And then kailangan kong tawagan yung Mother Earth ko. Hello mga zay, good morning. Ayan. Ano tayo, punta tayo doon sa ay init siya day. Init siya ngayon. Mag-breakfast tayo o ganan ni akong mga kuan. Ang bag na lang idodong. Ano ba ito day? Ito kasi kahapon basa kayo. So, ito yung bag natin. Hopefully, maugayan siya. Kay kahapon, grabe yan kabasa. Naling sinina ni Dudong. Ugaw na ni. Ganda ng view, Ayan, alam nyo ba, mga zay? kagabi, ang tagal kong natulog, mga 11 na siguro rin. 11, malapit ng mga alas 12. Tapos grabe ang bulan day, murag. Sabi pa ni Dudong para daw laking ghost moon. We go?
Yeah.
We go, my king. You are my king. My king.
Oh, you look so smoothy, gully-noofy.
You are my king. My king, my king.
She's my princess.
Mm.
She tastes good.
Aray, tara na. Tayo mag-breakfast tayo. Breakfast time nila is alas 8. Uy, sige, magkag-ingon anak niyo. Ay, sige, anak ba? Bad boy kay ka. Ay, go now, ha? Ang ganda ng aking hair kahit hindi ako naligo nung after kong nag-swimming day. Ang ganda pa din niya. So, hopefully na hihindi. Hoy, naunsa naman ta ni? Ay, nang horns naman ta. Hopefully na hindi uulan ngayon kasi may gusto talaga akong puntahan na I think restaurant siya mga day. So, gusto kong pupunta doon. Tingnan niyo sila, oh. Effort na effort talaga sila, day. Effort na effort. Bah. Ayan. Here we go. Dito tayo. Ganda ng rice nila, oh. Ay. Tingnan nyo nga yung mga art, oh. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung pagkain niya, dahil hindi yan yung in-expect niya. So, ito yung sa akin. And coffee.
I should have ordered that instead.
Hello. May mga dyan, bumalik ako sa room ko. Actually, nakalimutan ko may CR pala dun sa restaurant Bugo. So, punta tayo dun sa swimming pool sa baba. Hopefully, andun na si Dudong nag-antay. Brian? Tawagan ko muna, baka. Andun na siya. Andun na siya sa baba, day. No need ko nang tawagan kasi naririnig ko na ang ubo niya. Kasi kailangan ko siya dito pag pabalik sa taas. Medyo ano eh. Hello. Good morning. Did you see somebody going down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Nice paint. Oh, paint art. Oh. Malayo man yung swimming. Is that the swimming pool? Ito ata yung swimming pool, day. Ah, yan yung mga vela. Okay. Yan yung vela, oh. So, ang swimming pool, asa? Don't tell me, andun pa sa pinakababa, day. Uy, medyo layo-layo gid atong. Okay lang no pababa pero murag pataas murag naghantag step. Anon. Sabi niya sa akin pumunta na daw siya dito. Kaninang umaga. Alam niyo yung feelings na parang nalilito ako asan yung swimming pool. Kasi ang daming kong naririnig na tubig. My love? Brian? Ito yung spa nila. Dito pala siya.
Hello.
Where is the swimming pool? Where is the swimming
I
pool?
think they've seen it.
You see there is. Grabe oh.
This one is very unique. It has an elephant's navel. I never see before. I take a picture.
Ah, andun pala day. Andun yung swimming pool. Mga vela to. Mga ante, andito na kami ngayon sa spa.
No,
Ang ganda ng ano nila, Jay. It's very, para ka talagang nasa forest. It's very jungle. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng very relaxing, no noise, yung maririnig mo lang is yung mga gangis, chobalo. Dahil dito talaga na area ang dapat sa'yo. Kaya it's very kuan. Oh! Ano sa? Oh, my love. Kung ikaw ay gusto mong tahimik na lugar, tara my love, let's go to the kuan swimming pool. Dito na area ang para sa iyo, day. Be careful ha. Kay mawagid ang imuhang mawala talaga yung mga problema mo sa pera. Charis. Sure kinda ani. Sure da day oy. Tingnan niyo. Punta tayo sa swimming pool. Dito tayo dadaan. Ala, medyo kuan man diri. Uy, kining. Is the swimming pool down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come. Dali. Oh! Watch out, bada.
The sharp edges.
Kani siya no, kay di magtanaw siyang. There's so many steps. Medyo malayo-layo ang swimming pool, day. So, hindi natin feel maligo. Yeah.
You say there's one down here?
Yeah. I can see it up there. Yeah, it's a long way.
Oh, yeah.
Is this one here?
Oh, that was nice. That's where we should be.
Where's the dragon? Ang ganda ng pool, oh. May sea lion.
He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He
Ayan yung mga rooms dito, mga Zay, oh. Okay naman yung mga rooms nila. Kuan kining. So, yan yung mga rooms dito, mga ante. Pero doon kami sa taas. Tingnan nyo yung view nila. Nasa ano, jungle. Ang ganda naman dito, oh. There's a room here. There's a room. There's a room. Yeah. One. Ganyan yung... Tignan nyo, oh. Ang sea lion. Oh. Ang ganda dito, Jai. Ang dami nilang mga ganito, oh. Marami silang mga ganitong pa-art. So, na isa po hindi pa natatapos sa pagpicture. So, I try to film papunta sa taas. You hold this, I go run.
Run.
Yeah, and then just film until when I can stop. And then this is the zoom, huh?
Yeah,
One. Wait, I
I
have to
stay here.
I take a deep breath first.
Yeah.
You have to follow me. You have to follow me.
How you doing? Good.
It's too far away. That's the villa.
You can show that to the doctor when we're back.
Yeah.
But it's not following you. It's cutting your head off after going all the way back.
Ayan mga Zay. So my phone here. Okay. Alis tayo. Punta tayong restaurant. I think it's gonna rain or something.
Don't make the bed,
May pupuntahan kaming isang hotel na i-check namin. Mahug, mabalian, mapukadong.
Oh,
The one my lang? No, that's not the one. The other one and the last one.
this?
I don't know.
Huh?
It was I think, yeah, that. Uy, my love! Maho, ganit ta sa. We come back this one first. We do the other one first. My love, mahog ta sa. Basakan ta. Diwa Kunti. I think this one. Yeah, this one, my love. Also. No, my love, mura magkaghubog, my love, uy. You're like a drunk. Go down. Look, the kuan, oh, the wood. Hello, do you have a room?
Wait, one, yeah?
Available?
Yes.
That's a long way to go up. And it's really steep. The wood, but it's really,
They did the woodwork right here.
yeah. My love, okay. Is this somebody here? Ayan.
You have a small one there with private pool. Small private pool you can see from here.
Yeah, they have all, I think they have all the unit have private pool. Yeah, that's the one I saw.
That one?
Yeah.
But they
This
put a
one.
wall so you can't see the rice terrace.
This one also here, oh. Here, there's one.
Yeah.
Look, ang ganda.
Super nice view.
Yeah.
See here, there's no wall, but on the small one there, they put a wall so you can see the terrace. What the fuck? What are they doing? That's a nice small water flow there.
Yeah.
Philippines and Thailand also.
Check kami sa
It's
room.
hard work, you know.
And this is our villa. 1 bedroom and 3-part pool villa.
Okay.
1 bedroom and 3-part pool villa.
Part pool?
Yeah.
3-part pool.
Pre-party
Yeah.
pool. Okay.
And this is our room.
Okay.
Yeah, we saw it on the internet. Really nice.
How much is...
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in